Mga pagkaon.
Para po na mga kaganak, kayo po ang pangawan ng sulo.
Damo na kita. Damo na kita. Nanay. Katulog yun din eh. Agam maawang raro pa. Hala, kaladaan na itong pagkaon. O, diba? Kanina nanluluya kita kay Gutila. Kaya daw na ito bibring home.
Always remember that the greatest legacy we can leave is not the projects we build, but the lives we inspire when parents and teachers walk side by side. Our children never walk alone. Congratulations to all our new officers. May your service be guided by integrity, unity, and genuine love for education. Together, let us build not only better schools, but a brighter future for our children.
Umabot na kay Panamon Muse, ali na. Ali man, ako pambato. Te. Umabot na kay Panamon Muse. O, diba? Diba bongga?